What's up, guys? It's Lewis at That Convention Guy Collectibles, and today I've got a new statue. It's an old statue, but new to me, and that's the Miles Morales. So I'm going to go ahead and try to put this baby together. Doesn't look like there's any instructions, so good luck. That was pretty cool. The soft material. It's pretty awesome. So I have no idea. Time to YouTube. All right, so I did some YouTube watching, and it was where I was trying to put it in. I moved it to a different surface just so I'd have a little bit more level playing field, but yeah, it worked. So a little helpful tip is, at least for me, these statues are so fragile. And to me, when you're trying to force something into a spot, that is the easiest way to break something, because maybe that's not where it goes. So when in doubt, don't force it. Google it, YouTube it. There's plenty of other people out there just like me who have already gotten this statue and put it together and maybe had the same issue. So yeah, don't force it. They're too fragile. If I had tried to force that thing not knowing, I could have broken the peg, and then wherever it did go, it wouldn't fit. So just be careful. So I'm going to finish putting this together. Sorry for the horrible view here, but I'm still working on my room, so nothing is really done yet. Let's see if I can... Nope, you can't even see where it is. Okay, let's go down here. All right, so this is where I'm putting it together, so... I probably should have watched the rest of the video to see if there was more tricks or more things I should know, but okay. So there's the, it just looks awesome. All right, let's see. Simple enough. All right, now this. Sure where this goes, because there is a peg right there. The other side is not, so I'm guessing this goes into something. But what exactly? Because there's doesn't appear to be any pegs on his hand, unless it's underneath, which I can't see. And then there's another little piece, and I don't know if that was on here and it broke, or if that's a separate piece, I don't know. Back to YouTube. All right, so I guess I should give tip number 2, which is watch the whole video. I had no idea where those webs went. Now, granted, if I had a picture, maybe that would help. Maybe it's a picture on the box. I didn't take the box fully out of the shipper, so who knows. Tip number 3 on this statue is make sure that you have access to the back. Don't set it up in a place where you can't. Now, granted, it's a small statue, it's lightweight, so you can just kind of turn it. But the web stuff goes in the top back hand. So it goes back there. And the long piece hooks in the front, but the short piece hooks in the back. So you have to be able to kind of see where the hole is in order to put it in there. So definitely have it in a way where you can move it around. If I had put it on one of my other cabinets or something like that, I wouldn't have been able to access the back, and that would have been trouble. So anyway, there you have it. There's the statue. I just think that's really awesome. I'm going to be putting the Spider Gwen together, and that's going to go right beside it and create this little Miles Morales corner. I do have a display that I got signed by him. I might put that behind it. So I'm going to create a nice little setup. But here's the room so far. Just boxes and boxes everywhere. I don't know if you can see back there. Yeah, still a work in progress, but I'm getting there. So that's it for today, guys. I appreciate you watching. So again, watch tutorials and watch the entire tutorial so you know all the parts, especially if you don't have directions. Don't force things in. Find out first. And be able to access the back if you're going to put it together so you can put it in his hand properly. But other than that, very cool statue. I saw someone's post on Facebook. They had a nice little setup with this and some comics and things, and it just looked really awesome. And so I was like, ooh, that would look pretty awesome in my display. So I love the way that these buildings are. And you'll see after I put the Spider Gwen together, they go really well together. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching another video. Appreciate you. Like and subscribe to the channel. And let's see what other craziness I do. All right, bye.